Ever feel like your iPhone is constantly demanding your attention? Dings, pings, vibrations, it's a never-ending symphony of distractions. But what if I told you there's a simple way to silence the noise and reclaim your focus? Enter Do Not Disturb, your secret weapon against digital overwhelm. This incredible feature mutes notifications, alerts, calls, and messages, giving you the peace you deserve, and turning it on and off is incredibly easy. On your iPhone or iPad, simply swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. See that button that says Focus? Touch and hold it for a moment, then from this list that appears, just select Do Not Disturb. It's that simple. And here's a powerful bonus. When you enable Do Not Disturb on one device, it automatically syncs across all your Apple devices signed in with your Apple ID. So whether you're working on your iPad or unwinding with your iPhone, you'll stay distraction-free everywhere. You'll notice Do Not Disturb is active when you see a little crescent moon icon appear at the top of your iPhone screen in the status bar. It's your visual reminder that you're in the zone. Pro tip: need to quickly toggle it off or back on, just open Control Center again and tap the Do Not Disturb icon. Instant control at your fingertips. With the Do Not Disturb, reducing distraction on iPhone has never been easier. Take back control of your time, boost your productivity, and enjoy uninterrupted moments. Did you know you can play ambient music right from your Control Center? Check out this video for the full guide.